What if you could pause time, but only while sneezing? At first, it feels useless. A sneeze lasts less than a second. Then you realize time is frozen for everyone else, but not for you. On your next sneeze, you keep your eyes open. The world stops. So you try something risky. You force a sneeze. Now you get 2 seconds. Then 5, you discover you can hold it, stretching that frozen moment longer and longer. At 1 minute, you can walk across rooms unnoticed. At 10 minutes, you can read entire books while the world stands still. At 1 hour, you can travel miles before anyone blinks. Soon, sneezing isn't a reflex anymore. It's a trigger. You start carrying pepper, dust, anything to activate it. But then you notice something strange. Every time you come back, people feel slightly off. Objects aren't exactly where they should be. At first, it's small, then it isn't. And one day, you sneeze, but time doesn't restart.